Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will talk about the ideas of reclaimed wood to designer luxury and how to price and sell handmade furniture for high profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Pricing and marketing reclaimed wood furniture to professional designers requires a shift in mindset from simply selling handmade products to presenting rare design assets that elevate interior spaces. The moment reclaimed barn timber is removed from a collapsing structure or salvaged from a forgotten farm building, it already carries a story embedded in its fibers. Every weathered board, nail scar, sun-bleached grain, and hardened edge is a record of time, environment, and human history. Designers who specialize in high-end interiors are not merely purchasing furniture, they are curating experiences for their clients. Understanding this distinction is the first step in bridging the gap between raw barn timber and luxury interiors. Rather than approaching reclaimed wood as a cheaper substitute for new lumber, it must be positioned as an irreplaceable material whose rarity and authenticity cannot be replicated in modern manufacturing. When you begin to frame reclaimed timber as a limited resource with historical significance, the conversation naturally shifts away from price competition and toward value creation. Designers are constantly searching for statement pieces that make a room memorable, and reclaimed wood furniture has the unique ability to anchor a space with depth, character, and emotional resonance. Your role as a maker is not only to craft the object, but also to communicate why the material itself deserves a place in sophisticated environments. To justify premium pricing, you must first recognize the intrinsic value hidden inside reclaimed fibers. Barn timber often comes from old-growth trees that grew slowly for decades or even centuries, producing tight grain patterns and structural density that modern plantation would rarely achieve. This natural quality already sets the material apart from mass-produced furniture made with fast-grown lumber. When this wood is transformed into a modern table, console, shelving system, or sculptural decor piece, it represents a fusion of past and present. The rustic texture tells the story of heritage, while the refined design language aligns with contemporary interior trends. Designers appreciate this contrast because it creates visual tension that feels both authentic and intentional. A reclaimed beam turned into a sleek coffee table or a weathered plank crafted into minimalist shelving demonstrates a careful balance between rugged history and polished craftsmanship. Pricing should reflect this dual value, the rarity of the material and the skill required to transform it into something refined enough for luxury interiors. When communicating with designers, emphasize the uniqueness of each board and how its imperfections become aesthetic strengths. Knots, cracks, saw marks, and patina are not flaws to hide. They are natural signatures that guarantee no two pieces will ever be identical. This concept of exclusivity is extremely powerful in high-end design markets because designers are constantly searching for pieces that cannot be easily replicated or purchased elsewhere. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. However, premium pricing cannot rely solely on the uniqueness of materials. It must also be supported by professional presentation and strategic storytelling. Narrative-driven marketing is one of the most effective ways to elevate reclaimed furniture from simple craftsmanship into collectible design. Each piece you create should have a story that traces its journey from forgotten structure to finished furniture. Imagine describing a dining table not simply as reclaimed wood, but as timber salvaged from a century-old agricultural barn that once sheltered livestock and weathered decades of changing seasons. The wood endured harsh winters, scorching summers, and years of labor before being carefully dismantled, cleaned, stabilized, and reborn as a centerpiece for modern living. This narrative transforms the table from an object into a conversation piece. Designers love incorporating meaningful stories into interiors because clients often appreciate knowing the origin of the items surrounding them. A reclaimed wood table becomes more than furniture. It becomes heritage preserved in functional form. By highlighting these narratives in your marketing materials, website descriptions, and conversations with designers, you reinforce the emotional value behind each piece and justify higher pricing in a way that feels authentic rather than inflated. Professional portfolios play an equally important role in attracting designers who operate in sophisticated markets. Designers think visually, and they must be able to imagine how your furniture will integrate into carefully curated interiors. This means your portfolio should present your reclaimed wood pieces in environments that reflect the aesthetic standards of luxury design. High-quality photography is essential. Instead of photographing furniture in cluttered workshops or unfinished spaces, stage your pieces in clean, thoughtfully styled interiors that highlight their sculptural qualities. Natural lighting, minimal backgrounds, and complementary decor elements allow the texture of reclaimed wood to stand out while also showing how the furniture interacts with modern spaces. A console table placed against a white wall with subtle lighting can reveal the dramatic grain patterns of aged timber. A coffee table photographed in a minimalist living room communicates how rustic materials can coexist with contemporary design. The goal is to help designers visualize your work inside the types of homes and commercial spaces they create for clients. When your portfolio speaks the visual language of professional design, it becomes easier for designers to trust your craftsmanship and consider your work for high-end projects. Another key element in pricing reclaimed furniture is transparency around the process involved in preparing the material. Many people assume reclaimed wood is simply old lumber reused for convenience, but in reality, it often requires significantly more labor than working with new wood. Salvaging beams from barns or old structures involves careful dismantling, transportation, and inspection to remove nails, hardware, and damaged sections. The wood must then be cleaned, kiln-dried or stabilized, milled, and prepared before it can even enter the design phase. Communicating this process helps designers understand that reclaimed furniture is not only about aesthetics, but also about preservation and craftsmanship. Each step adds value because it ensures the final product is durable, safe, and suitable for modern use. When designers realize the amount of work required to transform aged timber into refined furniture, premium pricing becomes easier to justify. Instead of appearing expensive, the piece becomes a testament to the dedication required to preserve historical materials while adapting them for contemporary living. Building relationships with designers is another critical factor in successfully marketing reclaimed wood furniture. Designers frequently rely on trusted artisans who can provide unique pieces for their projects, and once a strong relationship is established, they often return for future collaborations. Approaching designers with professionalism and an understanding of their workflow makes you far more appealing as a partner. Instead of simply offering products for sale, present yourself as a creative collaborator who can help them achieve specific design visions. Be open to custom dimensions, finishes, and structural adaptations that fit their projects. Designers appreciate artisans who can interpret ideas and translate them into tangible objects while maintaining high craftsmanship standards. When they see that your reclaimed wood furniture can be tailored to their needs while still preserving its organic character, they are more likely to view you as a valuable resource rather than just another supplier. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked reclaimed handmade wood furniture for high profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.